Hello us. So guys, welcome back to another video. And we're going to be doing the same as last video. It is Olivia's turn to get shot by Lewis and then they switch around. Isn't that right, guys? Say hi, Olivia.
Hi. She's going to be our volunteer.
This is going to be our volunteer for today. And Olivia, don't forget no ducking. You can dodge them. Lewis, keep shooting, keep shooting. Lewis, you can't go that close, don't you, Lewis? Go back. Switch around, guys. Switch around. Guys, this is only going to be like a 2-minute video, so yeah, sorry guys about that. My video is going to be up to 2 hours long if I wanted to. So guys, hope you're having a good time. So Olivia, load up the gun, Olivia. You're shooting him.
And if you don't know, ep1, Holly, and Kian, and Ray, all comments down below. And put a like up to the channel. Need to turn it on.